the host of today. My name is Lucy. We come from Shandong Ruijie CNC Technology Group Limited. And now we are manufacturer of CNC machine, laser, fiber laser cutting machine, CO2 laser cutting and engraving machinery. Now we are at the CO2 laser machine workshop. CO2 laser engraving and cutting machine mainly for advertising industry, especially for acrylic, wood, PVC, double color, fabric, leather, no metal material cutting and engraving. Okay, now please follow our camera and we look at our production in details. Okay, please follow me. Okay, now we can check. This is our large format CNC laser machinery, and the machine working size is 1.3 meter, 2.5 meters. This machine, the power is from 80 watt to 180 watt. It's good for cutting, and also this machine with the belt transmission. So if you want to cut in material, and it also with a good fast and cutting effect. As you know, and normally the acrylic sheet size is 1.2 meter, 2.5 meter. So this machine can put a complete acrylic sheet on this table. And if you want to do some large craft, this machine is the best choice. Okay. Hello, let's check this machine. This machine is our new design machine this year, and this machine with the Boss screw transmission. As we all know, Boss screw transmission is a high accuracy transmission at present now, and so if you cut the more thick material, and this machine, the precision is very good, and the machine precision is about 0.1 millimeters. Okay, let's look at the laser head. And this laser head function is autofocus. So when you cut a different thickness of material, the laser head will automatic up and down. And also we look at here. This is a camera, and this is a CCD camera system. This machine can cut a carton fair advertising such as acrylic and PVC like this. So that is a very good function machine and good design. Also look here, this is our logo and a brand more than 20 years. Okay, please look behind me, and at present our large format laser machine, the installation is more 50 sites. So if you order this standard machine, our delivery time is about 1 week. Okay. 那个去激光机那一个，雕刻机那边一个。没说你。Okay, maybe some friends need the smaller machine, and now we can go to the smaller workshop, smaller machine area for check. Let's go. Okay, now we come here. This is our smallest laser machine. The working size is 15 meter and to 30 centimeters. So if you are the user or want to work in this machine at home, this is the best choice, because the machine size is very small, and it has the flexible applications. So this is a good choice for you now. Let's go. 安静，快走。Okay, now this is our best-selling machine, P series CO2 laser engraving and cutting machinery. And the machine working size is 1.3 meter and 90 centimeters. This machine with a belt transmission, and the machine can be equipped with 60 watt 80 watt and 100 watt, and the maximum is 180 watt. So it means if you want to cut more thickness acrylic, such as 20 millimeter acrylic, and this is a good choice. Also, this machine also can do some small engraving work. It's also very good. Let's go. Come here. This is our best quality high feature machinery H series. This machine with up and down working table, and also look at the laser head. It's with the red light precision and also the easy autofocus. So if you choose this machine, you can process many different thickness material, no matter acrylic, wood, PVC, or other materials. Okay, let's go. And just now I show you is the working area is 1.3 meter to 18 meters. Maybe you think the size is a little bigger. So this size is 1 meter to 60 centimeters. So maybe you like this size. It's also okay. Okay, let's look here. This is air compressor, exhaust fan, and the water cooling chiller. Before we ship the machine, we also will send all the parts to you. So when you receive the machine, you don't need to prepare any other thing. We will prepare everything for you. Okay. Now we can see our worker is testing for the machine. Most of our workers have more than 10 years experiments for machinery. And now our work is more than 200 people. All the machine will running more than 72 hours before shipment, and also our engineer will inspect it very details to make sure all the parts and all the features is ready, and then we ship the machine to our customer. Okay, we look here. Now the machine is at packing, and when everything is ready, all the machine will put into standard wood box and ship to our customer. Okay, please look behind of me. Now our standard CO2 machine have more than 100 sets in stock. So if you order this standard machine, our delivery time is only 3 days to 1 week. Okay, that is the instruction of CO2 laser machine, and thanks for your watching.